Starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us on this Fat Tuesday afternoon. Had a few inches of snow up on McDonald Pass last night and this morning, but road looks great. You can still see some of that fresh snow on the north side of the roofs here. We had a little sunshine that melted some of that snow in downtown Helena. 45 degrees, that helps too, to warm up and melt some of that snow. 20s in eastern Montana, 30s for a lot of the central part of the state, a couple 40s in the western half of Montana. And not especially windy today, 10, 15 mile per hour wind in some areas. Weather alerts, winter weather advisory, higher terrain of southwest Montana. This does include the mountain passes. So if you're heading up over Monida Pass late Wednesday night through the day on Thursday, it is going to be very snowy and very snowy there into eastern Idaho as well. Reynolds Pass up there around Big Sky as well. And then a flood watch continues for an ice jam on the Yellowstone right near Sydney. All right, here at home, quiet, although west of Lincoln, maybe a little snow starting to pop up on the radar. A little snow crossing Sealy Swan here with the next storm system moving in. And this one will have even less of an impact on the area compared to last night's storm. But our snow that came through yesterday, that kind of fed into this storm. And boy, that's a doozy. Blizzard warning, where you see the red. Yellow is tornado watches. And we've had a couple of reported tornadoes down in the southeast earlier today. Spring storm right there. I know technically it's still winter, but when you get the blizzard on the backside, severe weather along the cold front, that's kind of a classic spring storm. So this is really nothing you have to worry about. A couple of flakes of snow tonight, mainly up on the divide. Tomorrow, we're partly cloudy at worst, mostly sunny at best. System kind of falls apart. Clouds move in late tomorrow. And then there's that snow down there about Monida and Big Sky and West Yellowstone. So if anybody's heading south on I-15 Thursday, even around the Bozeman area, could have a few inches of snow. Some of that snow may try to sneak up just south of Helena here, but really no accumulation. Tonight, a little accumulation up in the Bob. And then Thursday, it's down towards the south there, about Interstate 90, and then down towards Wyoming. Tonight, 20s to about 30 degrees. Tomorrow, again, really no issues. 49 degrees for the high temperature, a little breezy in the afternoon. Then into Thursday, oh, that snow comes oh so close. It's a cooler day, 37, 32 in Bozeman. And again, a few flurries or a little period of light snow, especially south of Helena, maybe up on the Continental Divide. No real accumulation though right now. Friday, TGIF, back up into the 40s. And this is only a couple of degrees above average here for this time of year. And then Saturday, everybody's working for the weekend, remember? Temperatures up into the 50s. And unfortunately, it's the shortest weekend of the year. We only have 47 hours because we spring forward